Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. I have a question for the gardeners out there. All who plant cabbage, I have a question for you guys. This is very important. So if you experienced this before and you could share some information, I will be happy. And I'm sure other people will be happy as well. This is important. These cabbage I plant them last year. I plant them last year. I plant different kind of cabbage, and what I notice, all the cabbage them, every one of the cabbage turn seed. They start like the folding and they turn seed. Every one of them. You know? So I pull them out because I realize they turn seed already, and I don't know why this happened. My take to it is, maybe I'm wrong, in certain plants, they have man and you have woman. And if you don't get rid of the man only, it can breed the woman them. So I'm trying to figure out if this is what happened here. I'm trying to figure out what really take place. So if anyone know about these kinds of things, please share it with me. Look, I have another one here growing up lovely and just turn seed. So I don't know. I don't know the reason why, but I'm getting rid of them because I have other young cabbage, and if this is what happened, it can be like what I now said, or if anyone knows any information about this, please let me know. This one, I don't know as yet. Yes, this turn seed to watch. Excuse my hands, I'm in the dirt, but watch. They all turn seeds. I'm getting rid of them. Every one of them. And there's over 10 of them. And all of them turn seeds. So I don't know what's going on, guys. I really don't know what's going on. But I planted them last year. And now I'm looking for them to fall and become cabbage. Everything turns seed. So if you have any idea about this, please let me know.